All right, here at this nice little rental. This was a referral job by Kirk Sager. Referred me because it was too far away for him. This is just in my backyard, basically. So the challenge is, this is a polyester carpet that is got quite a bit of dog urine in it. I came in and inspected it, and it's got pet-proof pad, so with the moisture block, so all the urine will come out of the carpet really nice, pretty easy without giving me a fight because it's not down in the pad. But the challenge, you can see the dog had chewed out the corners. There, one there, and you don't want to really be taking donor pieces from this closet. And so, well, there's an upstairs too. But anyway, we're gonna cut out this chunk of carpet here and put in this nice piece of vinyl that I just picked up. So cut that out, put in this piece of vinyl, and then I'll use what I cut out there, and that'll be my donor pieces for the corners wherever the dog chewed up. So there and there. I think that's a brilliant plan. I figured out why the dog scratched out all the corners. Cat pee, cat spray, and there's nothing quite like seeming a area where the cat had sprayed. It reeks. That steam just reactivates it, hits you right in the nose. Yuck. This is where this little workhorse impresses me. Look at, that's a good amount of hair. And look at all that sand. Tons of sand. So this was pre-vacuumed. I saw the lady vacuuming. She did all the edges with the shop vac. The house cleaner did. And then she used a shark. And it did a great job. Sharks are great vacuums. In fact, you can see everything she pulled out right there in that bag. So she got a lot. But the workhorse just finds so much more. That is just in this living room alone. Very fun. Done vacuuming 3 rooms. Just completely filled up my canister. It's heavy, a lot of sand, but also a lot of pet hair. Look at my filter. Ew. Look at how thick it is. There's the foam filter, and then on top of that is all blow by from the cyclone here. So that's a lot. That's really gross. that's a wrap for this project. Got the vinyl put in, looking good. Got those spots in the corner where the dog had shredded it up because the cat had sprayed. Those are looking really good. The carpet looks great. It smells way better in here. I can't even describe how much better it smells. And it looks really good. Cleaned up great. Got a really bad wear spot right here from a rolling chair, but tried my best on it. Check out that corner. Boom, perfection. This one too. Boom, looks great. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'm sure we'll be getting some more doozies. The upstairs cleaned up good too. But I'm too tired to walk up those steps now. Have a good night. Sarah, I scored a free couch. It was on the side of the road. It's only mostly covered in animal hair. It's a hide-a-bed. It still has the sheets. It's gonna be nice. You're gonna love it.